Hi guys, this is Bosslady Shruti and I wanted to create a super easy, quick, simple, everyday makeup look. I haven't done this in quite a while, and with summers coming up, I just generally like doing a very simple kind of a look when I just want to look put together and be out of the door. This is a very, beginner friendly, easy peasy makeup look done within under probably 10 minutes and with very minimal products. So if you want to know how I got this look, please keep watching. We start off with a clean face, and I usually only go in with concealer in the summers, so I'm just going to use that on areas where I definitely need coverage. I am doing this because I really don't want to use foundation.
Then coming to the hero product, this is the Maybelline New York Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick.
These come in 20 plus super flattering shades, and the one that I'm using here is Lover. This is such a beautiful pink color that I want to actually use it on my cheeks as blush. This also blends beautifully and lasts for up to 16 hours. So I know that my makeup is not going to budge, and the color payoff that this has is beautiful. After this, I'm going to quickly set my face with a little bit of powder because I'm an oily girl. And moving on to the lids,
This is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade 230 Transformer.
This is a beautiful terracotta shade that I like using on my eyes. I just dab a little bit and go in with a fluffy brush all over my lid. And once I'm done with the top of the lip, whatever is left, I just brush it around underneath my eyes as well, just to kind of give the whole look a little more of a seamless feel. And I'm quickly done with just a little bit of mascara and eyeliner, and time for the lips. Here I'm using two lipsticks. I'm going to use this one for sort of outlining my lips. I always like it when my lips are outlined because also this is a deeper, darker shade. Then I'm going in with the shade called Ruler. This is my absolute favorite shade of the range. It complements a variety of skin tones, and you can see how buttery soft the texture of this lipstick is. It glides on so smoothly, and like I said, this color is so flattering. And because of the applicator that this lipstick has, it's so easy to kind of get in all the nooks and crevices of your lips and give your lips that desired pouty shape that I personally love. So yes, this is as simple as that. I have literally used just probably 4 products for this entire look, and it is so seamless, effortless and beautiful, and definitely in love with these lipsticks because they are so multi-purpose, so long lasting, and you can do your entire full face of makeup almost with these lipsticks. So yeah, they are my absolute favorite for the summer. Hi guys, so this makeup is what I like to do, when I'm quickly running out of the door and I just have a couple of minutes. It's a very quick and easy makeup routine, very minimal products, and definitely the hero of this look is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. I feel like these are so long lasting and so amazing. I actually saw a bunch of other creators talk so highly about this, so I was very intrigued to try it out. And I am someone who loves long lasting lipsticks. I hate doing touch-ups also because I forget to do touch-ups throughout the day, so I like a lipstick which I know once I wear it will kind of stay put. I don't have to keep going at it again and again. This has honestly stayed on for over 16 hours. I remember the other day I went for a workout and this lipstick did not budge.
I just went to my park for a workout the other day. I was literally sweating in this hot, humid weather, and throughout the workout, this lipstick did not budge. As you can see, I do not have any other makeup on my face but this lipstick, and this even passed the water bottle test. like you can see, there is no smudging or transfer of my lipstick onto my bottle. And again, here I have rubbed my fingers across my lips and this literally did not budge. So when Maybelline says transfer proof, they deliver, baby. It stayed out throughout my workout, and even when I came back, it was right there. These are absolutely smudge proof, kiss proof. There is literally nothing. There is nothing on my lips, even though I'm like rubbing so hard on them. Honestly, they have like a magic ingredient in this, which I feel is making these lipsticks so long lasting. So I will leave a link to them in the description box below. Definitely check it out. Two of my favorite shades are 15 Lover, which is this pinky one, and a rusty brown color called 80 Ruler. These two are sort of my favorites. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have tried these lipsticks. I would love to know your feedback on them. And yeah, this is sort of what I like doing in the summers, especially because it's so hot. I really don't like, you know, layering on too much makeup.
So go on and superstay all day with my favorite matte ink.
Alright, so this is the look. I love how this turned out, and I will leave the links to all the lipsticks in the description box below, so definitely check it out. And subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit the notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy. Mwah.